Get one, let me know, I've got plenty. About funding, about how much it's going to cost. Okay? This is a tricky thing about grad school, about masters and PhDs. There is a price of what it would cost if you just paid everything by yourself. Okay? But about 95% of our graduate students receive some sort of funding from the university that in the form of assistantships. Those can be full assistantships or partial assistantships. So it's very difficult for anybody at this stage to tell you how much it's going to cost you, because they do not make those funding decisions until you apply. And of course, when you apply and which term you apply, many times affects the available funding that the departments have to award assistantships. So what I normally tell students, and I'm not trying to be flippant about it or be comical, but the money doesn't matter. Why do I say that? Because if the department really wants you, okay, and you have been doing all the things that Amanda's been talking about and the other professors, and they really want you in their lab and they've seen what you can do and buy your undergraduate grades and your tests, they're going to find a way to help you. It may not be right away. They might say, listen, I'd love to bring you in now, but we don't have the funding in the lab. Can you wait 6 months when more funding may be available where we can bring you in? Okay? Or they may be really honest with you and just say, listen, we're not going to be able to help you. However, here may be another school or another program that may do what you want. So I'm not saying it to be funny. I just mean that it's very hard to talk about money at this stage. Okay? I can give you generalities of what a graduate degree would cost if you paid for it all yourself, but I'm guessing none of you are going to say, yes, I'd like to pay for it all myself. Nobody ever says that.
Okay, thank you, Mark. We haven't much time to discuss more in details, because we are going to start running the session. But if someone needs further clarification or more information about studying, especially postgraduate studies at Kliyة University, you have much time now to discuss it with Mr. Mark before lunch or during lunch. Thank you all.